Get ready for the next track. DJ Blackmon, keep my LP, back to back, back to back, to the 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 back. Playing this track back to back.
Laughing for something.
Playing this track back to back.
It was Lakeshore Drive, was the name of the track.
Playing this track back to back.
He's been doing this thing a little bit longer than us. Yeah, he is known as the mysterious music man. That's very true. And he actually let me put a track of mine out on his 5th release, KDJ number 5, and that's Lakeshore Drive. I'll see if I can locate it for you guys. If not, then I'll have to grab something like in 87.
Motherfucker, let's go.